Hello everybody, it's me, Alexander from René Paris and Aderans. So today you're tuning in and we're going to do one of our celebrity inspired red carpet looks. And today I'm working with one of my favourite wigs. This is Lennox in dark chocolate. And today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a style which Kendall Jenner wore, and it looked really interesting. It was like a puffball pony. I decided to work with Lennox because Lennox is really flat at the top, has a little bit of shape around the front, and again, you know, we've got this lovely lace front so we can wear that off the face if we decide to. And remember, these are celebrity inspired looks, not celebrity copied. So if you feel like you want to change it a little bit to suit your face shape or your lifestyle, then you go for it. Here are the tools that I'm going to be using for today's styling. So I'm just making sure that I have got roughly the right amount of hair around the front. Brush this over the crown, making sure I've got this rough little bit of body. The most important section of this hairstyle is to get this pony in nice and low. So this is just a regular hair tie, not a hair elastic, just a regular hair tie. I'm just going to take a bobby pin and I'm just going to push the bobby pin underneath the rest of the style. So you don't really see that bobby pin. What it does, it just allows that hair to come round and frame the face. There we go. I just follow that down and just with the bobby pin, just push this area in and hide the bobby pin a little bit. And then we're going to take some clear bands. And first clear band, I'm going to put around about here. With this hairstyle, you can use clear bands, black bands, or wrap hair round. I'm actually going to leave the bands in. I actually quite like seeing a little bit of the detail. So I've probably got 1 puffball, 2, 3. I'm going to go with 4 and then leave the ends out for softness. Now what we have to do is, like the Kendall Jenner look, is just open these kind of puffballs out. So you can open them as much or as little as you wish. So I try when I'm doing this kind of work, when I'm pulling it, I pull up, because if I pull it down, I'm going to ruin my puffball that I did that time before. So see, like this. See, we've got the soft pieces coming out the front. We've got the puffball pony. What I did was a little bit different, because remember it's a celebrity inspired look, was I just put 2 bobby pins towards the front here, because you know, the last thing I want is one of you like dipping into your drinks or your food or what have you. So it keeps that element of softness. And I think the look we were going for with Miss Kendall Jenner was about on that angle. So today you've been watching a celebrity inspired red carpet look with me working with one of my favourite wigs, Lennox in dark chocolate. Today our celebrity choice was Kendall Jenner. If you've liked what you've seen, please direct message us, give us some celebrity inspirations of your own that you'd like to see, or anything that we can do for you at home. Please message us and let us know. So as always, from me, Alexander, and everybody here at René Paris and Aderans, thank you for tuning in. Remember to follow us on social media, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.